Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today is the 19th day in a series where I am taking contents from 5 different advent calendars, opening them up, showing you what's inside of them. I am donating the contents to a nonprofit. I will put information in the description box down below about the nonprofit that I'm donating to. And I will start with the OPI calendar. Ooh, this is pretty. I'm liking the darker colors a lot more. This is called Susie and the Arctic Fox. It's a really pretty purple. Next is the NYX calendar, and this is an eyeshadow. We've had a couple of these. This is in Sweet Tooth. Oh, this is pretty. This is a really shimmery kind of champagne color. More shimmery than the one before. Next is the Body Shop, and this is a strawberry lip balm. This is nice. It's a nice size, and I like this formula. So hopefully someone will like that. Next is Feel Unique, and this is from eSpa Natural Beauty Intercom Overnight Hydration Therapy. An intensely hydrating overnight treatment mask to leave the complexion replenished and radiant. So yeah, these are going to people in Utah, in Provo. So I think things are kind of cold and wintry there. So hopefully someone will get good use out of this. And last but not least is Space & K. This is light. And this is a mascara, Rodial Glamo Lash Mascara XXL. So that was day 19. Thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world and a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.